My name is Ryan, and I am a material science major at NSYSU. This semester, I'm participating in many courses relating to SDGs items, especially like life below water and sustainable cities and communities. Additionally, as a person who loves exploring new environments, thus I choose Linyuan as my travel site for ecological investigation. Most people, including me at first, only know Linyuan as Kaohsiung's southern petrochemical industrial zone, a place dominated by factories, chimneys, and concerns about pollution. However, right beside these industrial plants lies a surprising natural treasure, a vibrant coastal ecosystem. Here you can find one of the best places in Taiwan to observe the rare upside-down jellyfish thriving in the wild. Located at the southern tips of Kaohsiung, where the Gaoping River meets the Taiwan Strait, Linyuan features a rich intertidal zone with the native mangroves over 115 years old. Since 1994, the Linyuan Mangrove Artificial Wetland, often called the backyard of the petrochemical zone, has been gradually restored through efforts by local residents and the government. Despite the damage from the typhoon, the wetland continued to recover. Nearby, Zongyuan Fishing Port, Linyuan's largest traditional harbor, shows how fishing communities live in close connection with both the sea and the surrounding industry. I chose to make this documentary because Linyuan offers a powerful example of the complex relationship between industrial development and nature. How can heavy industry and fragile ecosystem coexist? This place gives us a rare chance to explore the perfect balance. I want to find the evidence of the coexistence between nature and industry in Linyuan. In this film, I will test 3 locations. First, the Linyuan Mangrove Artificial Wetland. Second, Linyuan Ocean Wetland Park, home to large numbers of upside-down jellyfish. Third, Zongyuan Fishing Port, where fishing life meets industrial landscapes. This wetland serves as a barrier between the industrial zone and the coast. What struck me most was the powerful visual contrast. Towering factory chimneys stood right behind the treetops, while business might feed. There the large green mangrove forest stretching across the area, where the Gaoping River flows into the sea. These mangroves are not fragile. They act like a green shield, displaying incredible vitality right beside the industrial area. Home to a diverse range of plants and trees, this is also an excellent spot for birdwatching and fishing. I believe this is the best evidence of the coexistence of industry and nature. The mangrove protect the coastal landscape, creating the safest home for birds and fish. This is my next stop. Not far from the factories lies the habitat, the upside-down jellyfish. I initially expected the water quality near the industrial zone to be a cause for concern, especially since these jellyfish are extremely sensitive to their environment. However, their thriving population provides the most direct evidence. The fact that they have chosen to settle here proves that the water quality is being managed excellently. This is the only place in Taiwan where they can be observed consistently in the wild. Beyond the jellyfish, the park is home to the migratory birds, fish, shrimps, crabs, and the native mangrove species. With its own beach area, the park attracts many parents who bring their children to explore the wetlands and walk along the shore, making it an outstanding site for environmental education. The existence of the wetlands proves that we can achieve industrial development and simultaneous caring for our water quality creating an environment where even the most picky animals feel at home. Finally, I arrived at Zongyun Fishing Port, which has a history of more than 60 years. Here, I found the most direct evidence that people, industry, and nature can find a perfect balance. Standing by the harbor, I watched fishermen skillfully mending their nets, preparing to head out to sea. Just a few kilometers behind land stand the massive steel structures and storage tanks of the petrochemical plants. It's breathtaking sight. Modern industrial giants and ancient fishing traditional sharing the very same water. I noticed that despite being right next to the industrial zone, small fish still dart through the harbor waters. Local fishermen told me they have grown accustomed to live alongside the factories from them. The industrial provides economic support, while the ocean provides their spiritual and physical livelihood. This is the ultimate evidence of the coexistence. Industry has not destroyed nature. The harbor remains vibrant. The fishermen continue their hard work, and boats still come and go frequently. This proves that the natural ecology of the sea has not disappeared because of the factories. Instead, it continues to thrive alongside them. Among the three locations, the one that left the deepest impression on me, and the one I recommend most, is the Linyuan Ocean Wetland Park. It was designed as an education space, featuring both a mangrove boardwalk that offers an immersive experience and a sandy beach for families to enjoy together. Industrial development has cast a heavy layer of grey over Linyuan, and concerns about air pollution often keep people away. However, it's only when you truly explore its heart that you discover these vibrant ecosystems, shining even brighter against the industrial gloom, like an oasis in the desert. Throughout this journey, I found evidence of a coexistence between industry and nature at every stop. I have learned that nature is not just a habitat for wildlife, but also a sanctuary for healing the mind and soul. It's clear that we must protect our natural environment while we continue our industrial development.